Hello guys, welcome to Just Apps. My name is Adarsh. If you're an animator or digital illustrator, or if you're planning to make animation videos and you're looking for some cool animation video editing tools, pay attention to this video till the very end because I'm going to share some of the best applications available in the market. They are top of my list. I'm going to explain in a minute, but if you're watching the video for the first time, please do subscribe and click on bell icon so when I upload a new video, you'll get a notification for the same, and also it will be really easy for you to follow up. So the first one on the list is MrHars.com. So this application provides a plugin for Adobe After Effects as well as Adobe Premiere Pro, and they are supported by both Mac, Windows as well as Linux. You can just directly go ahead to their website and download the plugins, and it is easy to incorporate with the Adobe Premiere as well as Adobe After Effects. You can easily use them and you can start using all the features available out there. You can see here what exactly I'm talking about. You get an idea. So let's see the pricing here. So what we are going to get in the free version as well as in the paid versions. So we can see here you'll be getting about animation composer plugin, Premiere composer plugin, as well as over 1000 assets and 3 times time saving tools. And in the paid version you'll be getting over 6000 assets. So both of these plannings are almost same. There is not much of a change, and so that's about it. And there are a lot of tutorials available out there, so you can just check it out either in the YouTube or in their official website. So that will help you to understand how you can use them and how they're going to benefit you in creating more high quality animation videos. Okay, and you can see here they see their products. They majorly support Adobe After Effects as well as Adobe Premiere Pro. Okay, and another application called Simplified. You must have heard about this application. So this is also one of the coolest application tools available out there for to create amazing animation videos. Okay, so I have already signed up. So I'm just going to give my what is it? It is asking for a company name. I'm just going to give Just Apps, and I'm going to create workspace. Click on it. You can see here what features you will be getting free option under free category. Okay, so you can see here you can AI designer, AI video, AI writer, social media AI, project management, and if you want to create it is similar to like link tree. So if you want to create a link for your bio, that you can do it, and there is also if you want to create chatbot, you can do that. Okay, so you can see here what I'm talking about. So I'm going to click on this one. So you can see here if you want to create thumbnails, and you can, if you're a content creator and or YouTuber basically, so if you want to create thumbnails, you can use that. I'm going to click onto this AI video. This is what we want as of now. At the left corner you can see these are the tools. See, if you just scroll down a bit, you get an idea like what exactly I'm talking about. If any of these listings has these kind of marks, then they are paid versions, means you have to buy their membership plan in order to use those templates. Okay, and in case of these, we don't have to worry about it because these are free versions, and wherever you can see these kind of icons or badges, they are most likely to be paid versions. They are not easily available for free. If you want to create caption for your video, you can do that. So just click here. If you have a video, any of the video available gallery, you can just directly upload here. So maximum 500 MB of video you can upload. If you have more than 500 MB, then you have to buy their subscription plan, so our membership plan. Okay, so just wanted to show you how this application works, and this particular application is more popular among the, especially in the freelancing community, and people who are on content creation as well, and get a lot of features to try here. You can see what exactly I'm talking about. If you want to create speed video, merge videos, you can create industry standard tools. These are okay, so they are really cool and quality is amazing, so there is no compromise on that regard. So you can just explore here. There are a lot of templates available that is free to use. That's all I wanted to highlight here. You need to spend some time, and there are a lot of tutorials available out there. So I'm going to talk about another one application called Animaker. Okay, this is also a free version. You just have to sign up with your username and credentials. You can just directly go ahead and use them. Okay, so what is the background? Okay, I'm going to keep it as freelancer. I'm going to select continue. What are you going to do or create using Animaker? So I'm going to create animated presentations and video editing, social media videos. So that's it. personal videos. Just going to click continue. So you can see here there are a lot of templates available here. So what exactly I'm talking about, so you can directly use these animated video templates if you are using it for your presentation. This will really helpful for you to make more such animated videos. If you just click here, cartoon 2D, add promo explainer, you just click here, add all. It is going to add all of these templates for your video. Okay, and you can see all the tools available here, all the features. You just click on video. You can upload your video up to 25 GB. Okay, so and more than that it's not going to upload. So that's it, and you can just click here. So this is, you can see here at the right corner, this is a tutorial and step-by-step process. This is going to guide you in how you can create animated videos. That is really cool. So if you just hover over it, you can see the video automatically playing in the background. You can't do much about this watermark, but if you want to remove this, you need to buy their membership plan. So that's the only thing about it. I'm going to select something else. If I just play here, you can add music here, and also you can add image as well. Really easy to upload video directly into the website, and you don't have to download any plugin. So that much very clear. And you can edit a video, and you can trim here if you want to trim anything in particular. Just like similar, say for example, I want to trim from here, and you can just drag a bit. If you just want to trim this part, you can do that, or if you just want to take a screenshot, you can do that. Okay, sorry, it's a picture in picture. It is going to play in the same video. So that's it. If you just click here, if you want to split, you can do that. Once again, I'm going to bring this one, click here. If you just click split, so I want to trim this part, you can just click here, trim. This is going to edit that particular video. You can see here, you can just delete it, or you can directly click on delete button, so it will be automatically deleted. It is really super easy to use and user friendly, similar to any other video editing tools available out there. So and all the websites that I talked about are free to use, and you don't have to spend a dime to use these applications. And all the free options are more than enough to create high quality videos. That's the best part about the website. And if you want to something like more high quality or more industry standard video editing tools, then in case if you're not aware, Adobe Premiere and Adobe After Effects are top of the list, and there's no match to it. So they have a lot of tools, and there are a lot of learning curves actually. So you need to spend a lot of time in understanding how to use it and how to use each of the features. Okay, so that is for sure. So only con about this learning curve, it is not very easy to understand for a beginner. Okay, you need to spend a lot of time to get used to it, but once you get used to it and everything becomes breeze, okay, so you can start editing your videos like a professional. So that is guaranteed. And also there is another application or software called Synthesia, and this is a free version actually. This also support most of the high quality video editing features. In case if you need something else, you can definitely buy their membership plan. So that's the best part about it. So it is really simple to use and user friendly video editing tool. Okay, it's supported by a lot of big companies out there. This is most preferred by them. So that's it guys, that's all I wanted to discuss today. So let me know in the comment section what you think about it.